First, drive the car forward so it's parallel with the vehicle in front. When your rear view mirror lines up with the front car's rear view mirror, turn the steering wheel to the right and start reversing. As soon as you spot the right headlight of the car behind in your left side mirror, straighten the steering wheel and keep reversing. Then, when you see the door handle and the curb lining up in your right side mirror, turn the steering wheel to the left and continue backing up. The car will smoothly slide into the parking spot. To reverse park in a parking lot, first align your right side mirror with the far corner of the parking space. Then, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and start moving forward. When you can see the corner of the parking space through your right side mirror, stop and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Then reverse. And when the car is completely parallel, straighten the steering wheel. That's it. You perfectly parked. To reverse park in a parking lot, first approach the spot perpendicularly. Then, once you have centered your vehicle perfectly, turn the steering wheel full right and drive forward. Stop when you see the corner of the parking spot in your left mirror. Turn the steering wheel full right and start reversing. Finally, when your vehicle is parallel, straighten the steering wheel and drive fully into the parking spot. First, drive parallel to the parking spot. Stop when your rear bumper is level with the other car. Then, turn the steering wheel full right and start reversing. Stop when you see both headlights of the car behind you in your left mirror and straighten the steering wheel. Continue reversing again. Stop when your right front door handle aligns with the curb in your right mirror and turn the steering wheel full left. Reverse until your car is parallel to the curb when looking in your right mirror, then straighten the steering wheel. That's it. First, approach the parking spot perpendicularly and align your left mirror with the far corner of the parking spot. Then, turn the steering wheel full right and drive forward. Next, when you see the left corner of the parking spot in your left mirror, stop. Turn the steering wheel full left and slowly reverse into the parking spot. When you are parallel, straighten the steering wheel. Here's the secret to parallel parking. By following the instructions shown in the simple animation in the video, you'll be able to do it easily. To start, maneuver alongside the parking bill. Bring your car to a stop when your rear section is flush with the adjacent automobile. Next, crank the steering wheel all the way to the right and commence backing up. Discontinue motion when you spot both lamps of the vehicle in the rear via your driver's side mirror and center the wheel. Proceed to back up. Cease movement when your passenger side front door grip meets the road edge, as seen in your co-driver's mirror, and lock the steering wheel full left. Continue to back up until your vehicle is running true with the pavement edge when viewing your right mirror. Then restore the steering wheel to its neutral position. If you have trouble parking between the lines, this video is for you. First, align your right mirror with the back corner of the parking spot. Then, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and move forward. When you see the corner of the spot in your right mirror, stop and straighten the wheel. After that, turn the wheel fully to the right and start reversing. Once your car looks parallel to the parking lines in the right mirror, straighten the wheel again. That is all it takes to park perfectly. Drive parallel to the parking space, and when the rear of your car aligns with the rear of the car next to you, stop. Then turn the steering wheel one full turn to the right and start reversing. When you can see both headlights of the car behind you, stop. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and keep reversing. That's it. It's that simple. Here is one of the easiest ways to reverse park. First, drive straight forward into the parking area. When your mirror lines up with the corner of the parking spot, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and move forward. Then, when you see the same corner through your left mirror, stop. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and start reversing. When your car is inside the spot and parallel, straighten the wheels. That's it. It's that simple. Drive parallel to the parking space. Then, align your car's quarter window with the end of the other vehicle. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and start reversing. When you can see both headlights of the car behind you, stop and straighten the wheel. Continue reversing, and when you see your door handle align with the edge of the sidewalk in your right mirror, stop again. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and keep reversing. That's it. It's that simple. First, drive forward until your car is perfectly centered and perpendicular to the parking spot. Then, turn the wheel fully left and move forward. Stop when you see the corner of the spot in your mirror. Turn the steering wheel fully right and start reversing. Once your car is parallel with the spot, straighten the wheel and pull fully in. That's it. First, Drive your car perpendicularly towards the parking spot. Then, stop when your left mirror reaches the left corner of the spot you're entering. Turn the steering wheel full right and continue driving forward. Next, when you see the opposite rear corner of the parking spot in your left mirror, stop and turn the steering wheel full right and start reversing. When your car is perfectly parallel with the parking lines, straighten the steering wheel. First, approach the parking space vertically until your car is centered in front of it. Then, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and move forward. When you see the corner of the parking spot in your right mirror, stop. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and start reversing. Once your car is parallel to the parking space, straighten the wheel. That's it. It's that easy. When backing out of a parking spot, start turning the steering wheel once your car's center aligns with the columns to exit safely. First, drive forward parallel to the parking space. Stop when you can see the rear corner of the car next to you through the small quarter vent window. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and begin reversing. When you can see both taillights of the car behind in your left mirror, stop and straighten the wheel, then continue reversing straight back. When your right mirror shows your right door handle aligned over the parking spot line, stop. Turn the wheel fully to the right again and reverse into the space until your car is centered. That is all it takes. Align your right mirror with the end of the parking line, then turn the wheel all the way to the left and move forward. Next, when you see the corner of the parking line in your right mirror, stop and turn the wheel all the way to the right while reversing. That's how simple reverse parking is. Approach the parking spot in this manner. Then, stop when the corner of the parking spot aligns with your left mirror. Next, turn the steering wheel full right and drive forward. Stop when you see the near corner of the parking spot in your left mirror. Turn the steering wheel full left and reverse slowly into the spot. When you are parallel, straighten the steering wheel. That's it. First, approach the parking space vertically until your car is centered in front of it. Then, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and move forward. When you see the corner of the parking spot in your right mirror, stop. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and start reversing. Once your car is parallel to the parking space, straighten the wheel. That's it. It's that easy. Initially, proceed alongside the parking space. Halt when your back bumper is even with a neighboring vehicle. Subsequently, rotate the steering wheel completely to the right and begin moving backward. Pause when you observe both headlamps of the automobile behind you in your port side mirror and straighten the wheel. Carry on reversing. Come to a stop when your front right door handle lines up with the sidewalk edge in your starboard side mirror and turn the steering wheel full left. Reverse until your vehicle is aligned with the curb when gazing into your right mirror, then level the steering wheel. If you find it difficult to forward park, this video is perfect for you. Thanks to the bird's eye view angle, you can clearly see every movement and understand each maneuver step by step. Watching it this way makes it much easier to follow along, practice, and eventually master the parking technique with confidence.